Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Quattro vibrating anal beads. So let's get started. So these are the Nexus Quattro vibrating anal beads itself. We also have a user manual here to help you with your experience as well. So these are the vibrating anal beads itself. Also included is a remote control. Now these vibrating beads will take your anal stimulation to the next level. These are not recommended for beginners and are recommended for advanced and expert users only. The flexible anal beads are easy to insert with 4 soft silicone beads, so it's very comfortable to wear and enjoy as well. It also features a loop handle here, so insertion and removal is simple and easy. There are 3 powerful motors and 7 vibration settings, which will give you a wonderfully intense and full feeling. You can also enjoy wonderful popping sensations, and you can easily switch between the different settings with the remote. It's also waterproof, so it can be used in the bath or shower. To turn on, push and hold down for a few seconds, and a blue light will appear. Press once more, and the vibrations begin. To manually change the vibration settings, click on that same button. Please note you cannot operate the Quattro without turning it on to use the remote control. Click on the power button just here and you can change the settings. To turn off the vibrations, push and hold down on the remote control for a few seconds, and as you can see, the vibrations have now stopped. Make sure to turn off the Quattro manually as well by pushing and holding down for a few seconds until the blue light has disappeared. It is also rechargeable using your USB recharge cable provided. Simply push through the soft silicone hole just there and it will recharge for you. A quick, simple and easy process. Now, when using the Nexus Quattro, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Please make sure to clean the Quattro after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Quattro vibrating anal beads. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.